everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aga Tompkins and today I got my PR box from Estate Cosmetics. I opened it only this much, so I don't know exactly what's in there, but we're gonna check it out. Estate hit me up and asked if they could send me a PR box of some of their new products that are coming out, and of course I was like, new product, yes please, because you already know I want to check this out. I'm really excited because I love goodies. Oh, they got so many things in here and I just cannot wait. Hey Aga, welcome to the Estate family. So happy to have you on board. We are experiencing some delays for our launch with COVID-19 pandemic. Here are some of your favorite goodies to try in the meantime. We hope you like them as much as we do. I guess this isn't the official cosmetics, but I haven't tried these things actually. So I'm excited and I cannot wait to check these things out. So this is Wet Matte Liquid Lips. It's cruelty free and paraben free. This color is called Treat. It's already up my alley. You guys already know I like this color. Let's get a mirror here. It looks like it's a matte. Let's check it out. I love it. I love that this is a nude. I needed a good nude. This feels amazing on the lips. I mean, I legit needed this color. Yeah, if you guys already know, I don't wear lipstick daily. It's one of those things where some people can't live without lipstick. I can't live without chapstick. Oh my God, this feels so good. I'm trying to figure out. It's called Wet Matte Liquid Lips, which I wish I could describe the feeling to you guys, but it feels like matte lips that aren't super dry, which is nice, but still feel kind of matte. I don't know how to describe it. All I know is I love this one, and this I could wear every day. Yeah, I like it. Sold. Sold. So I guess I'm gonna remove this now and we'll try the next one. All right, next. This is the color Lolly. Let's see what Lolly looks like. Also 100% a color that I like. Keeping it in colors I like, which I'm not sad about. It looks funny because I have just the bottom on. And I just put foundation on because I removed the other one. I feel like my lights are so bright you guys can't see. Can you see? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love the way these feel. I don't know their wear obviously yet because I just got them, so I can't know that, but I can tell you that it's interesting. Like, they're called Wet Matte, and I like them. So that's been fun. What else do we got here? Do Me highlight powder. Do Me. See what they did there? All right. We're talking about being dewy. You guys, can't take you anywhere. Also, I can't open this. Tell me why I'm bad. This is why I can't do unboxing videos, because I suck at taking things out of boxes. Okay. This is Do Me in the color Lit. Let's try this. Ooh, look at that. Jeez Louise. Don't put me out in traffic. I'll make people crash their car if the sun hits me. Hello. I love that. You can't see it almost in person, but it's super reflective. In person, I can't see it on my skin, but I can see it in the camera, like, girl. I love that. Okay, and this one is Baked Highlight Powder in the color Exposed. What did I say this one was? Lit, okay. So this one's called Exposed. Also still can't open boxes. I don't know why. Oh, and this one's got a pink tone. Again, cruelty-free, paraben-free. It's definitely pink tone, super cute. It's like a peachy. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it. I feel like it doesn't do it justice. Probably my lights are too wild, but sorry guys. It's so cute. This one is not pink and this one is pink. They are super reflective. I love them. These may be my new go-to. What? Okay, now I'm gonna open these little goodies. What are they? Also, my lips feel drier now. This is so matte in the best way. Legit. I like mattes that are real matte. Yeah. Okay, what is this? Eye shade. Pipe. And by the way, I'm filming this video immediately as I opened my door. This showed up, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with the fact that I may have to take makeup off to put new makeup on because I'm so excited. I did not know that this was coming and I need to make a video right away. Wait, am I gonna lose the name? No, okay, Pipe Virginity. Is it called Virginity for Real? It's called Virginity for Real. That's fun. Oh my God, this does not. It's called Nut. Virginity, Nut, and Pipe. Apparently the state likes fun. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. Well, I'm gonna remove some of this makeup and let's just go for it and do the dang thing with these. BRB. I removed my makeup and now we can try these cuties. I'm going to do the nut color, just like on the outside. These are shimmers, by the way. Oh man, I'm overexposed. So they're definitely shimmery. And my lips, just so you guys know, they're so matte. It's amazing. It might be like the most matte lip I've ever had. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Virginity color and just I'm just kind of applying it to the center to darken it up a little bit. And lastly, I'm gonna use the Pipe color, which is like a beautiful coppery golden color. It's really pretty. I guess I just went from lightest to darkest to the center. I'm gonna use this Pipe color underneath as well. Now I'm gonna take the Nut color and I'm just gonna put it in the center here as a highlight almost, because it honestly could be. It's really bright. Next, they gave me cruelty-free, paraben-free, precision liquid liner. It has a felt tip and it's an eyeliner. So let's check this out. Let's try it. It goes on really nice. It doesn't say if it's waterproof or not, or at least I didn't read that, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that and check. It's real dark black, which I like a lot. Feels good. It doesn't say that it's waterproof, so I'm gonna assume it's not, because usually if something is waterproof, they'll let you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume it's not waterproof, but it looks really good. Hopefully I won't cry. I'm just kidding. Now I'm gonna open this Estate Lip Icing in the color Glazed. I don't know why I suck at opening boxes. Seriously, don't send me any unboxings, people, because you'll regret it. I'm just kidding. Please send me things. All right, let's try this glazed color out. It feels so nice. I feel like it feels kind of like the products that plump up your lips. It feels sparkly on my lips, if you guys know what I mean. You guys know what sparkly means on your lips? Yeah, that's what it feels like. Which I like it. Because, God, they really nailed it with the colors. I'm opening this last one. It's called Drip. Of course, the last one I opens perfectly. Perfectly easily. All right, here we go. And this one's like a pinky color. Ooh, it's like icing. Like pink icing. Cute. That feels really good. And that was the last thing. That was fun. I want to do that more often. I wish I did YouTube last year when I got so much stuff and it was so fun. The unboxing part of like trying new things is honestly one of my favorite things. I don't know. It's like getting presents and then it's Christmas every time you get something. And I get to discover new favorite products, and honestly, anytime somebody sent me stuff, because I'm not gonna lie, I definitely get free products every once in a while to try out, bring on tour or whatever, and every single time a company has sent me stuff, I 100% find favorites, and then honestly, by the end of the year, I'll have paid back for everything that they ever gave me. And as you guys know, I also like giving gifts. So let's say any other brands that have sent me things. Later, I gave gifts of those same products, so I buy doubles and whatever. And so, I don't know. I think at the end of the day, you know, when companies believe in their product and they have good product, it's worth it. Because I can tell you right now, I like this stuff. I mean, they nailed it on the lips because, well, I like red lips too, but I'm real picky with red, but I needed these. How did you know, Estate? How did you know that I needed these? I did, and now I'll have them because, this one feels so good. Just so you guys know, it's amazing. But yeah, thanks guys. Thanks Estate for sending me these goodies. I cannot wait to try the official PR box. I thought that this was it, but I'm not sad because I had none of these products anyway, so I got to try out some new products regardless, and I do love them as much as you do, guys. I do. I'm really excited about these highlighters. They're really fun. Guys, I need to re-up my highlight. So when you guys see me in videos from now on with my sparkly lips or my super matte nude lips or glowing cheekbones, just so you know, this is what it is. All right, thanks for watching me. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for learning about Estate Cosmetics. I think they're definitely like an up and coming brand that's blasting through trying to do new cool things, so we'll see. I'm excited that I got to try them, and if you are looking for a super matte lip, I mean, this lip is so matte that there is no glow. It almost honestly is like cartoon style not there. I don't know how to describe it. There is no shine. So if you like that, you'll love that. And then this sparkly lip amazingness. I'm really excited about the lips, and I'm just excited. Guys, I just like things. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you back again soon. I probably am posting another video like this week because I post every week. Check out my videos and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think. Have any of you ever tried Estate Cosmetics? I'm a fan of their lips. So, new favorite lips.